Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to fix laptop's backlight on macOS Big Sur. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. Here, I'm assuming that your graphics is working with full hardware acceleration, and also have patched the SDT. Before proceeding, I will show you that currently backlight is not working. Here you can see, it's showing generic monitor, instead of Apple laptop. And also in system preferences, brightness slider isn't available. Coming to the fix, you'll require OpenCore configurator for mounting EFI partition of system drive, Apple Backlight fix-up Kext for brightness control, SSD TPNLF, which is to be used for laptops up to KB Lake R, SSD TPNLF CFL, which is to be used for Whiskey Lake laptops and above, and also one README file containing some ACPI renames and device address. Now, open OpenCore configurator and mount the EFI partition of your system. Now browse to the following directory of EFI partition. Copy Apple Backlight fix-up from desktop and paste it to the Kext folder. Clean up the folder by name and go back. Now copy the SSDT according to your laptop. If it's KB Lake R or older, use SSD TPNLF, and if your laptop is Whiskey Lake or above, use SSD TPNLF CFL. Copy appropriate SSDT and paste it to ACPI folder. Clean up the folder by name and go back. Now, open config.plist, and here in ACPI tab, add the SSDT. You can add it manually, or choose from the EFI folder. After adding the SSDT, make sure to place it at last, after all ACPI. Now, go to patch section, open README file, and add the renames accordingly. First rename will be common for all users, except some ThinkPad users. Second and third renames are only for ThinkPad users. Add appropriate ACPI renames. Make sure to place the first rename at the top. If you're exceptional ThinkPad user, place both the renames at last. After adding the renames, make sure to enable it. Now go to Device Properties tab, and add the key and display device. This is mandatory only for Coffee Lake users. After that, go to Kernel tab and add Apple Backlight fix-up Kext. After adding the Kext, make sure to place it only after Apple ALC. Now save the config.plist, and close all apps and folders, eject EFI partition, and restart your laptop. When restarting your laptop, make sure to reset NVRAM at least once. Laptop has restarted. Let's check that backlight is functional or not. And now as you can see, it's showing Apple laptop as built-in display. Previously it was showing generic monitor. Let's see if the brightness controller is available and is working or not. And as you can see, the brightness controller is available and working too. Previously brightness hotkeys was not working, but now it's functional. For functional hotkeys, you will need to remap your brightness hotkeys. To remap your hotkeys, you will need to patch your DSDT as per Rehabman's guide. So finally, we have full working backlight with brightness controller on macOS Big Sur. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more updates, stay connected and have a great day.